So ngayon matatanong po ninyo, ano po ang pangkasalukuyan ng Mawal Fund? Now on our 50th year, katulad po ng mga sa atin po nalampas na po ng 50 years old, medyo nararamdaman na po natin yung konting sakit ng tuhod, konting muscle problem, medyo nagiging makakalimutan. In other words, yung pong ating makina, medyo kailangan na po siguro i-ayos-ayos ng konti, lagyan ng oil, kumbaga. And at the moment, ang Mawal Fund po, when it is completely operational, has never stopped giving in all its 51 years. No matter what happens, ang Mawal Fund po ay nagre-revisit ngayon ng kanilang foundation, ng basic tenets of the organization. We find that we have to enhance or revitalize or correct some facets of our operations. At ito po ay sa tulong naman po ng aming mga tauhan. And I wish to give credit to Dingdong Dantes, our trustee, who had this beautiful initiative so many months back na mag-conduct po ng study from AIM people, na mag-conduct po ng study on the present status of Mawal Fund and how it can sustain itself in an improved version through the next 50 years, hopefully. At dito po, sa study na ito, which salamat kay Don, he himself underwrote, siya po mismo nag-sponsor. Nakita po namin that through the years, pero kailangan mga mag-uwi ng konti, i-improve sa aming mga programs, sa aming mga benefits. We need to pay attention or revisit our licenses, our permits, our relationship with the SWD, the Security and Exchange Commission, and all of this. This is an eye-opener, and we are on the move now to attend to all of these new challenges. Maraming salamat din kay Alden, because through his personal resources at mga connections po niya as an endorser, he has helped us with our fundraiser. And to all the other board members, thank you for giving of your essence. At ano po ang mga plano po ng Mawal Fund para sa susunod na mga taon? Of course, pagpapatuloy po ang ating welfare program. Dadagdagan po namin ang mga ito. Hopefully, sa pagpupunali ng ating Pangulo, si Res Cortez, ang ating EXECOM and our board. Hopefully, ito pong tie-up na meron tayo ngayon with Capital Medical Center for Services ay mag-i-improve na po, it will be enhanced into Mawal Fund building its own little clinic dun po sa lugar po ng Mawal Fund, sa bagong Mawal Fund building. We are also hoping that we can add benefits like HMO and eventually free insurance. Papapatuloy po yung livelihood programs para ma-train po ang ating mga members para maging self-reliant sila. And the housing project, meron pong nag-aalay ng isang lote para po gamitin po ito sa housing project. We will build on that. And the ultimate dream po ay sana sa pagdating ng madaling panahon, hindi na po kailangan magbayad ng 500 pesos a year membership fee ang ating mga beneficiaries para makuha po nila ang kanilang benefits na nagkakahalaga po ng about 100,000. No? So, tulungan po ninyo kami sa panaginip na ito. Pagdasal po natin sa pagpapunyagi po ng lahat ay maganap po ito. Bukod po dyan, yun na po clinic, yun na po pairali po ang aming post-production services. Nandito ba si George? At pairali po ang iba pang mga programa ng Mawal Fund Film Institute para po higit na umunlad at higit po maging matatag ang mga services na ibibigay ng Mawal Fund. And one last thing, napakagandang balita ito at nagpapasalamat kami kay Mayor Joy Belmonte ng Quezon City. On her own initiative, nag-offer po siya ng 500 181 square meters na floor area sa Convention Center ng Quezon City Memorial para po magtatag ang Mobile Fund ng isang film museum. Maraming salamat kay Mayor Joy. This is on use of rock. Papagamit po for minimum 25 years. Pwede pong gamitin ng Mobile Fund ito for sustainability purposes para po magkaroon kami ng operations, magkaroon kami ng program kung saan we will make this available to the public. And so, with this dream, I would like to end by showing you a little about this museum and asking you to please help us to make of this museum a reality.
For over a century.
Batay po sa ating tema ngayon, unity. Alam po ninyo, isang napakagandang mensahe ang ipinaalam sa atin ng bagong halal na Pope Leo XIV. One of his earlier messages was about unity. Ang ganda po ng sinabi niya that unity is not only uniformity. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na para magkaroon ng unity, lahat tayo sang-ayon, lahat tayo oo lang ng oo. There can be unity in diversity. And that's exactly what these three organizations are all about and what the industry is all about. Iba-iba po ang mandato ng tatlong organisasyon na yan. Lahat po ay valid, lahat po ay it resonates with the need of the times. It is very important, it's very relevant. Iba-iba po yung mga yan. Pero sa okasyon po ito ay mag-uugnay-ugnay, hindi lamang po ng mga yan. Hindi tayo pong lahat, we are all stakeholders of the industry. Ang Mobile Fund po ang mantra niya, the human resources, the people who work in the industry. Yan po nakataon ang atensyon ng Mobile Fund, and that is us. Whatever we do in front of the camera, behind the camera, no matter how lonely our work is, no matter how successful we are, or no matter what struggles we experience at the moment, iisa lang po ang ating pagtutuunan ng pansin para ma-achieve po natin yung unity na yan na adhikain po ng ating event ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Bruce Asodron.